Enhance your career with ICTQual Level 3 Award in Professional Rigor. His program is meticulously designed for individuals who seek to gain the essential skills and knowledge required to excel in the rigging profession. This Level 3 award focuses on the core aspects of rigging, ensuring that you are equipped with the practical skills and theoretical knowledge necessary to perform rigging tasks safely and efficiently. The course covers key areas such as rigging equipment, load calculations, risk assessment, and safe lifting practices. As a professional rigger, your expertise ensures the safe and efficient movement of heavy loads, playing a pivotal role in the success of construction projects, industrial operations, and more. This course is meticulously structured to provide you with a deep understanding of rigging principles, equipment handling, and safety protocols. Mandatory units of this qualification are Advanced Rigging Principles, Specialized Rigging Equipment and Gear, Complex Rigging Techniques and Procedures, Safety Leadership and Supervision, Rigging Planning and Risk Assessment, Legislation and Regulatory Compliance. This course is ideal for aspiring riggers, current riggers, construction workers, industrial workers, safety professionals. What is the duration of this course? ICTQual Level 3 Award in Professional Rigor is 3 days 9 hours training program. This training program's mandatory assessment will be conducted through approved training centers. From admission to certification, it can take 3 to 5 weeks. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.𝗖𝗧𝗤𝗹𝗋 for more qualifications and information.